Smile without your eyes. Raise your eyebrows. Stop smiling. That's your model face.
Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday the 5th of September, I think it is. I've got my watch on charge at the moment, so I'll correct it on the screen if I'm wrong. But I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, I am just cooking dinner. I need to leave to go to Cairo in about 10-15 minutes. So I'm going to try and get the patties all made. I am making some chicken, cheese and herb like risotto type things, but low FODMAP, so there's no like breadcrumbs, onion or garlic in this, and like gluten and stuff. So I just picked up the chicken breasts. It isn't egg friendly though. I do put egg in it to help keep it together. I am okay with small amounts of lactose free cheese. A lot of people in low FODMAP have to go completely dairy free. And then I just put in some like basil, some salt and pepper. I've run out of time. Morgan just got home. We're going to go to Cairo, so I'm going to finish it when I get back and I'll add it in. But I minced all the chicken breasts now, so that is all done. It was 1.5 kilos of chicken that I did. My grinder kept coming up off my bench. It doesn't normally do that, but I haven't used it in like a year now. So I think I need to clean the plastic base so that it can suction onto my bench again properly. Otherwise it wouldn't normally take me that long or cause me that much issue. Okay, so it's all cooked. I did add in an extra little bit of cayenne pepper, just because I would normally also put in some chives, but I couldn't get any from any of the shops today. And I don't have any dried chives or anything. So I just put in a little bit of cayenne pepper just to give it a little bit of flavor as well. I've now put them all out and everything, so it's time to cook them. So I'm going to just do it with some steamed veggies tonight, just because it's nice and easy. We've just gotten back from the Cairo and I'm a little bit sore still. Obviously the Cairo can't fix everything, but yeah, I'm still a little bit sore. So I think I'm just going to do steamed veggies in the microwave in my micro steamer from Tupperware. That's how I do all my steamed veggies now. I absolutely love it. And yeah, I think I'm going to try these in the air fryer tonight. Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday the 6th of September. I'm just on my way to the groomers. I'm not sure if you can see the dogs behind me there. Try moving it a little bit so you can see them. But there's Oliver beforehand. I'll add in a photo of before and after probably. But this is their first. Oliver, it's a cute baby. This is their first groom for the summer, and then today is super wintry. But they need to get groomed because Oliver is really struggling with the heat during the day, and then overnight it's not getting as cold, so he's really struggling at night too. So yes, I'm just on my way to drop them off at the groomers, and then what have I got all over me? I've lent up something. I've got dog hair all over me, I know that, but I've always got dog hair all over me. Yeah, then I'm off to the shops. I'm still on the hunt for mother for Morgan. He drinks the energy drinks, and so far they've been sold out for like 2 weeks. I managed to get 4 kids yesterday. But yeah, I'm just going to go to a different shop today and see if they have them. There's a few other things that I need as well.
Shout to the heart, and you're too late, darling. You give love a bad name.
Hi guys, welcome to Wednesday. It is 7th of September today. It is currently 3:30 p.m. right now. I'm just heading home from my grandparents. I'm just going to stop in at the vets just so the dogs can say hello, or the vets can say hello to the doggos. But all I've done today is spend time with my grandparents, and yeah, I've got some like macas for breakfast, some hotcakes and coffee, and took it to them nice and early this morning. And then my grandma's been helping me with my sewing machine, just giving me some basic things on how to use it, like what some of the things are for and everything, so that I can start playing with it. But yeah, we just had a real chilled day today, just relaxing and chatting with each other, watching TV, eating food, having coffee. So yeah, I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys. Morning guys. Oh, welcome to Thursday the 8th of September. I'm freezing right now. I had to run back inside and grab yesterday's jumper because I'm so cold. I feel like my fingers are gonna fall off. It's freezing. I'm just on my way to Cairo. Morgan's in his car in front of me, going to Cairo as well, because then he can just leave for work from there, and then I can just come home. Not really much planned today. I've got to get a video out, do some washing. I think that's probably it at home. I am picking up my friend's dog. I'm doggy sitting until Sunday for her, so it's gonna be a crazy house at my house, 4 dogs there. But yeah, nothing really else to check in on.
We fight and we argue, you'll still love me blind. If we don't fuck this whole thing up, guaranteed I can blow your mind. And tonight I'm alive in a dollar sign, guaranteed I can blow your mind. Tonight.
The girls in their 30s? This generation of 30-year-olds? I am excited. Y'all keep it up. Y'all keep it up.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
God, my attention! I kissed a girl and I liked it.
Hi guys, welcome to Sunday the 11th of September. I have just got home. I just dropped my friend's dog back to her, and I just put Silverside on for dinner, so I'll show you that later. I'm just going to sit down and edit this vlog to go live tomorrow morning. The only thing that I really do have to check in on is I have a big update on my health journey. So my big update is I have found a new specialist, and I have actually got an appointment already. So on Wednesday I went to my GP, or I had a phone appointment with her, and asked her to do me a new referral because I've chosen a new specialist now. She sent it off for me Wednesday afternoon, and Friday morning I got a call from his office and I'm already booked in for an appointment. So I'm scared, I'm anxious, very, very anxious about it. I'm excited at the same time, but at the moment the anxiety is definitely overruling the excitement of finally getting to this point or potentially getting some help. But yeah, my anxiety is definitely winning at the moment. Both my last surgeries for my endo have been bad, so it's sort of like I want to get help, I want to have surgery, but then I'm scared of what if it's the same as last time? What if it doesn't help me? What if it makes it worse again? What, like, yeah, I need to stop overthinking it, but I am excited at the same time. So yeah, I am excited and nervous at the same time. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated on everything. But yeah, my appointment's the end of October, and I'm anxious and I can't wait to see how it goes and what happens. As for surgery, they did say that surgeries are booked out until next year now, which I'm completely fine with, because that means for the rest of the year I've got a few things planned, like our anniversary, my birthday, the mother-in-law's birthday, Christmas, etc. So I'm glad that I can just, you know, sit back and enjoy that and then have the surgery early next year instead. But yes, that is my big news for you guys. I do have another piece of news, but I'm going to put it in next week's vlog because I'm still waiting for it to come through in writing. And I don't want to risk saying it if it's not in writing. So yeah, there will be another announcement in next week's vlog. Maybe not super exciting for you guys, but it's exciting for me. But yeah, I will chat to you guys later. I'm going to insert footage of like dinner and everything, but this is probably the last talking part, so I'm going to film the outro as well, and then I'll just add that on the end. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit the subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!